Over 80% of cigarette smoke is invisible, so no matter how careful you are, they still breathe in the harmful pollutants. If you could see what's really there, you wouldn't smoke. Text invisible to 63818 for a smoke peaceful.
We'd like a round of applause for Everyday Cornflakes, selfless star of the cereal shelf. Happy to be a morning meal or a midnight snack.
Home, gas station, Drake Point.
Home, gas station, 6th and Colton. What is it, 6th and Colton?
The rum room. I bet you can buy some alcohol.
What's he doing, beautiful?
I bet you can too, Dave. Kelly.
Sherlock, Sherlock, Sherlock.